Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. This video is about the village farming and the lifestyle here in the village, how we farm and how we spend our days in the hills. This is my home and this is my cow, cattle. These are my goats. He is my elder brother and he is plowing the field with ox in this rural area. We don't use tractors, we don't have tractors, and they are my elder dad and mom. They are tilling the soil. There is mustard and wheat. Wheat, barley, mustard is planted. You can see he's smiling. This is garlic, and this is ash from kitchen, firewood ash. These are grass towers for winter season, when there is scarcity of grass, especially green grass. And this is my village. That is the opposite village. This is Mulla, and there you can see a school. That is the school where I have read up to class 5. This is burning of residues, crop residues. This is burning of residues, remaining residues. The boys are playing cricket here. There is no ground, but they are still playing. थोड़ा माथि देखा unnecessary. बस बाले हो बाले हो overnight soaked seeds. Overnight soaked seeds. These are our pumpkins. We are planting our pumpkins. क्या कर रहा हूँ अब ये बने यार हाँ पहले प्लांट करता है बना लेंगे बहुत हो गई This is my neighbor house, and you can see the farming here. There is garlic and there is farmyard manure, totally exposed with the sunlight, which is not a good practice, but it has been practiced since long time. You can see the field are barren. They are ready for plowing. After plowing, we plant some kind of vegetables and other crops, cereal crops. You can see this kind of mixed farming. This is cress. We call it chamsur, and this is cress we use for vegetable. We grow it for vegetable purpose. And here is also onion. This is also onion, recently planted onion, showing the tip. Its tip are showing necrotic and chlorotic symptoms. And he's my nephew, one of my nephew from this house. He's watering, and this is the religious tree, which we call it Manau in local. Manau, the place sacred tree. Each household has this kind of sacred tree. This is a prunus species we call Panyu. It is similar like cherry. Interesting thing is that its leaves produces nectar for its self-defense due to presence of non-floral nectarine glands to protect themselves from the different herbivores. And he's watering here deeply. Good thing is we don't have scarcity of water here in this place. And each household there is minimum 2 taps there. And this is a cinnamon plant. You can see each household has this kind of trees. And here we can see some goats in each household, some buffaloes, and people working. You can see this is mini bamboo, Nigalo mini bamboo. It's used for multiple purpose for carving different kinds of equipments used in farms. Okay, you can see the small one. Buffalo, come on. They are eating the fodder from the jungle. We call it kaulo. And these are the goats. These are eating the fodder. After that they will go there in this shed. Special kind of design, this kind of house we have in this place. You can see people and animal living together. In the upper floor we lives, and in the below this floor there is shed for the cattle, goats and buffalo. And this is the timber we bring from the forest. This is a kind of shelter bed for animals. They urinate in dung here, and we collect this, and this acts as farmyard manure for us. After that, this farmyard manure directly goes into here. You can see there is a big, very big pile of farmyard manure. But the sad thing is that the people are not aware about the leaching and volatilization of nutrient content from this kind of piles or hives, which is directly exposed under sunlight and water. You can see this, and you can also see there are some kind of citrus fruits. It's very sour. And this is our village. Each household have this kind of grass tower for the winter. And this is kiwi orchard, which is not very well managed. If there is lack of training and pruning, sometimes we prune, but due to lack of technical knowledge, and people are so busy here. This kind of fruits you can see, and there, this is a Salix species. We call it bais in Nepali, and this is very useful for making the cricket bats, and the very good property it has is it can be propagated by stem cutting, and there is blooming of plum, the plum plant, the plum fruit which is blooming, and it's ready to consume during June July month. Tower in this house also. This is my neighbor house.